How to generate traffic to Shopify. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, we're going to talk about how to generate traffic to Shopify. Without further ado, let's get started. So today, I want to dive into some out-of-the-box ways to increase your store's traffic, ranging from smart ads to sponsorships. These tips will give you a unique look into the business of increasing your online business. Keep watching to learn more about some of these more unusual techniques and feel free to try them out. Consider switching out an email subscription for social signups. The email sign-up form is a wonderful way to grab people who stop by in your store and send them emails for promotions and other cool stuff. In short, emails work wonders for getting customers to return to your store. The only problem is that many consumers are becoming numb to the email list sign-up form. You see them all over the place, and people are less and less likely to sign up for yet another campaign that clogs up their inbox. Consider swapping out your email sign-up form for a social sharing or social sign-up option. Sponsor a local event. This may sound like something a brick-and-mortar company would try out, but it's actually not uncommon for online companies to reach out to their communities to sponsor live events. When you sponsor the live event, you will give your company tons of exposure, bringing in additional traffic for your site. Even if most of your company works from home and in different locations, you can decide on a location that is filled with a significant amount of your current customers. This way, those people will come to the event and share the word about it when you start advertising. Put coupons in the packages you send out. A coupon on your email receipt is a nice touch, but there's something about receiving a tangible gift when a box shows up at your home. Zappos is known for giving away some free stuff when they send out their boxes, and I received a 15% off coupon from Moo.com when I ordered a few business cards. With email coupons, customers are more prone to forget about the email or delete it. With this, they get the joy of getting an actual present, and they can post it on their refrigerator to return to your online store at some point. Find companies in your industry and cross-promote. This usually comes in the form of guest blog posts, but that's not exactly what I'm talking about here. Chances are you have various other companies in your industry, or not in your industry, with which you can cross-promote with. For example, you went to a hardware store open house where they gave away free pizza. Each plate had a little slip of paper with an ad for the pizza shop that donated the pizza. How can this work with online shops? Consider giving some free items to another store in your industry. When that store makes sales, they can give these out for free and mention your store during the sale. Those customers are then pushed to your store for more traffic. Anyone who works for a major news website or publisher knows that social referrals, which means links that are shared on social networks, have become a crucial source of incoming traffic and have been vying with search as a source of new readers for some time. So now let us dive into how to drive traffic with Facebook to your store. Create engaging Facebook post. In a nutshell, engaging posts come in three forms, which are text updates, photos, and third-party links. A study by Facebook Studio shows that posts with images drive more engagement. So whenever you can, share images along with links to your site to drive more engagement and to get more people to click on the links. The nice thing about this is that the description travels with the photo when it's shared, so you're then controlling the message a bit more. Besides, you could also do something like what Social Media Examiner does, where they take a screenshot of their latest post and publish it along with a description and the link to the post. This can drive a lot of engagement. This technique also leads to more website traffic. The other nice thing about this is that photos can show up larger in the news feed. Another technique that's been popular in the past to get greater reach is to post your link in the status section and then X out the link data that is pulled in to change the post to text only. Even though it has a link in it, the benefit of this in the past has been that text-only posts were getting more reach. Optimizing Facebook post. According to a study, very short posts receive more likes, but long posts receive more likes and shares. Posts that are either very short or long tended to have higher like in percentage, whereas longer posts tend to get more shares. Therefore, it's better to write long posts compared to short ones, as you will not only receive more likes, but also more shares, which can be instrumental in driving more website traffic from your Facebook page. Writing essential post is important, but posting at the right time would definitely boost your post visibility. According to a study, the best time to post on Facebook is at noon. You could also try and post at the best times in different time zones using a tool like Post Planner, or just post at different times and see which one works for you. Create a fan page. Besides your personal Facebook account, you can also create a fan page to drive the traffic. An easy way to drive more Facebook traffic is by adding a link to your website in the About box. It's the one located right below the profile image of your page. In this way, people can easily visit your website with a click as soon as they read the description, which is only 1 or 2 lines long, and then follow it up with a link to your website. If it's too long, people won't be able to see your link right away. So keep it short so people will see the link right away. This will encourage more people to visit your site. Furthermore, do not leave the link all by itself so that it is right at the top. You may have a few words about your business and then leave the link. Another great way to drive more traffic to your website from your Facebook page is by pinning posts to the top. When you publish a new post, or your most important ones, pin it right to the top. This can be done by hovering over your post and click on the Edit button and then click on Pin to the Top. When the golden marker appears on the right corner of the post, it means that the post has been pinned to the top. Remember to regularly unpin old posts and pin on the new ones. You could pin your latest blog post, important news, or images. Instagram is one of the hottest visual social media platforms, bringing a human and approachable aspect to your brand. If you have a brand account on the Instagram, then your main attention is to grab more followers every day. Photos or images, as you know, make social media go gaga. And here's how you do it. Just like Twitter, Instagram uses hashtags to organize photos. If you have used Instagram, then you might have noticed that the picture description has many hashtags, which makes the picture more searchable. The best way to generate exposure and get more engagement is to use hashtags on Instagram. Some hashtags are more popular than others, but it is advisable to use the relevant hashtags that fit your brand image. Instagram's search engine is much more powerful than the Twitter one. Therefore, if you start adding more hashtags, the higher the chances of getting your images discovered by more people. However, do not over-hashtag in each post. Yes, hashtags are a great way for a brand to be discovered, but only when used wisely. A caption should not stretch 2 images height when scrolling just because it's full of hashtags. Sometimes too many hashtags in one picture could be annoying and people will not read them one by one. Around 5 to 7 hashtags are acceptable per post. Use high-quality images. Impressive photos with captivating calls to action are what makes Instagram users follow new people and leave Instagram to visit a website. Display your best products, make a brand personal, and add contrast to make a photo stand out on Instagram. The background of an image is an important factor for posting quality Instagram images. Some of the best Instagram users have carefully crafted a background for their photos. Whether they're displaying a perfect homemade candy bar for Halloween or a high-fashion purse, photographers and designers are making backgrounds as a priority and using them as a tool to highlight a product. Engagement increases sharply, as does traffic from Instagram, when multiple products are featured in front of well-thought-out backgrounds. Optimize your Instagram contest. Having a contest and giving out attractive prizes on Instagram drive a lot more traffic than you think. For example, you just launched your online store's Instagram account. You might want to have a launching giveaway on your Instagram account. But of course, before you held a contest or giveaway event on your Instagram, you might want to stimulate audience curiosity. Post a picture or a smoke signal for people to sneak peek and preview to attract people to your website. You can take a picture of your new developing or latest product and direct people to your website for more details, along with the giveaway date.